Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says give structure of orthoboric acid and give its physical properties. इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे ऑर्थोबोरिक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर पूछा गया है और उसकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हमें यहाँ बतानी है। तो यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ ऑर्थोबोरिक एसिड. So here we write the key concept of this question is orthoboric acid. Orthoboric acid. Orthoboric acid. So orthoboric acid is a boric acid. It is also known as boric acid, and the chemical formula of orthoboric acid is BH3O3, also known as boric acid. Boric acid. And the structure of boric acid is and the structure of orthoboric acid is boron is a central atom. Boron is a central atom, and OH, OH, and this one is OH. Each boric acid molecules features boron oxygen single bond. Here, boron oxygen single bonds are there. Boron oxygen single bond, and the boron atom occupies the central position. In this, boron is a central atom. Boron is a central atom is linked to three hydroxide group. Boron is a central atom and linked with three hydroxide group. Three hydroxide group. The overall molecular geometry of boric acid is trigonal planar. Geometry is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar geometry. The structure of orthoboric molecules is this. This is the orthoboric acid. The structure of orthoboric acid, and in this three oxygen atoms form a trigonal planar geometry around the boron atoms. And the basic physical properties of boric acid is physical properties of physical property of boric acid is orthoboric acid is it is a weak monobasic Lewis acid. Monobasic Lewis acid of boron of boron. It is a white crystalline solid usually found in powdered form. It is a white crystalline. It is a white crystalline solid usually found in usually found in found in powdered form powder form, and it is a soft in touch. It is a soft in touch, and it is sparingly soluble in cold water. Sparingly soluble in cold water, cold water, and highly soluble in hot water. Highly soluble in hot water. and it behaves as a very weak acid. It behaves as a very weak acid. It behaves as very weak, very weak acid. Okay, so this is the general descriptions of the orthoboric boric structure. In this, the chemical formula of orthoboric acid is BH3O3, and it is also known as boric acid. And in this structure, boron oxygen single bond is present, and boron act as a central atoms linked with the three hydroxides group, and the geometry of BH3O3 is trigonal planar geometry, and the physical properties of BH3O3 orthoboric acid is it is a weak monobasic Lewis acid of boron, and it is white crystalline solid usually found in the powdered form. ठीक है, ये क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड होता है और मोस्टली ये पाउडर्ड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है, जो कि कोल्ड वाटर में स्पेरिंगली सॉल्युबल होता है, जबकि अगर हम इसको हॉट वाटर में डिसॉल्व करें तो ये हाईली सॉल्युबल होगा. ठीक है, होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.